You only need 25 backlinks, and I'm going to show you why. And I'm referring to local searches. Plumber in St. Joe, Missouri. Let's buzz down through here. Lots of sponsored 3-pack. Get past the 3-pack here. Okay, what we've got here is a lot of national companies. We got Yelp, directories, expertise, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, blah, 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 blah. Facebook. By the way, always backlink your Facebook, your customer's Facebook, because they pop up very well. Here's a local, and then there's BBB. I'm going to look at BBB too. BBB.org. Okay, so we're plastered here with the national directories. Okay, but let's go look and see how many backlinks these national directories have. Go over to SEMrush, and let me go here to analyze this domain. We're going to hit search, and we're going to see what kind of backlinks this particular inner page has. Now, keep in mind, we're looking at the inner page. Hit it again. I don't know what's going on here. Domain overview. Here we go. 0 backlinks. What happens is these companies, they don't necessarily have the resources. This is my theory, to backlink and concentrate on every inner page, and they've got probably hundreds of thousands, at least thousands, maybe hundreds of thousands, and they don't have enough backlinks for all those pages, but they do have enough backlinks for the main site, and that's where most of their backlinks go. We'll look at how many backlinks the main site has too. But again, 0 backlinks. If you have 10 backlinks, you're going to beat this. I say 25 good backlinks is what I would shoot for, because there's probably some of these inner pages that have backlinks. But if you do 25, you're pretty safe. So let's go to the main domain and look at the backlinks for the main domain. And this is a pretty general rule. 300 million backlinks, but 0 on the inner page. So you can beat the authority of the inner page, which won't always rank you, but it will go a long way, since we know that backlinks do have a lot of weight. There was one other here that I looked at, and it was, and I want to look at one more, expertise.com, 0 backlinks. Wow. So again, most of these on here, the inner pages that are ranking have no backlinks. They are dependent completely upon the backlinks on the main domain. So the theory is, if you can get more backlinks and better backlinks, I mean, you can't just throw the kitchen sink at it, but get some niche industry backlinks on this, and you should have a huge chance of getting in the top 10. There's some other things I'm posting about being in the top 10 for local search pages or local service pages. And I'm going to look at expertise.com here. So, 9 million backlinks. So yeah. And all that's trickling down. All that juice is trickling down, to the inner pages. And they do this good, they do this good, but get yourself some local, especially local backlinks. I always tell my customers, get some local chamber of commerce backlinks. That goes a long way in ranking local businesses. So anyway, see you in the next video.